So without wasting time, let's directly get to the point that how you can hide your TikTok account from your friends, family, and the people you know in real life or on social media. So there are only two steps to do it. The first one is you have to open up your App Store if you are on iPhone, and you have to open up your Play Store if you are on Android. And after that, go to the search button and search here TikTok and hit the search button. And when your TikTok app appears up, you have to tap on it, and you have to first of all update your TikTok application by tapping on this update button right here. If you do not update your TikTok application, you will not be able to hide your TikTok account from the people you know, because you will see the different options from mine. So after updating TikTok, the next step is you have to open up the TikTok application, and after that go to your profile by tapping on your profile button in the bottom right corner of the screen. Next, you have to tap on these three lines available at the top right corner of the screen. It doesn't matter whether you are on Android or iPhone, the steps work the same on both of the devices. So when you tap on these three lines, these four options will appear up at the bottom of the screen. From here, you have to go into this Settings and Privacy tab. So when you hop into Settings and Privacy, then you'll be appeared up with these options. From here, you have to go with the second option in this list, which is Privacy. Now here is the main game. You have to watch carefully from here. The fourth option in this list is Sync Contacts and Facebook Friends. So you have to go into this option, and you have to turn off both of these options. If your Sync Contacts option is turned on, you have to simply turn it off. And same is the case with Sync Facebook Friends. But you are not done yet. After turning off both of these options, you have to go back and go to the third option in this list, which is Suggest Your Account to Others. So tap on it, and you have to also turn off both of these options too. You have to turn off the contacts and turn off the Facebook Friends. So in this way, your TikTok account will not be suggested either to your contacts or your Facebook friends or any of the people you know in real life. If you have any of the questions, let me know in the comments. See you in the next video. Thank you so much.